Lonnie, can I have a Hello Kitty mask?
No.
Why not?
Oh yeah.
Day 6 of the Packset Tours Summer Matsuri Tour. This guy looks very, very terrified. And anyway, we're on our way to the Jogasaki coastline to see some cool stuff. Also on tap today, fireworks, festivals, and more merrymaking. Lots of fun, so stick around.
So we are now here at the Jogasaki coastline.
And we are back in Ito for one last time for the main event. Kyle, tell us what the main event is.
The main event is the fireworks tonight and the drinking.
Yes, we have a whole bag full of grilled corn. Tasty, delicious grilled corn. Thank you. And drinks, mixers, and cups and
And then for after you eat all those
things.
paper towels.
And paper towels for when we become messy people. We're so ready for this. We're so ready for these fireworks.
So we're here waiting for the fireworks to start.
Sorry,
And
Bounce it off the
there
ceiling.
is an interrogation light on me right now. They're asking me hard questions. I don't want to answer, but I guess I have to.